Hello မင်္ဂလာပါဒီနေ့ဆက်ပြင်ဆင်ထားတဲ့ dialogue လေးတွေကိုအတူတကွလေ့လာကြရအောင် Okay ကောင်းပြီ no dialogue လေးတွေကိုလေ့လာကြရအောင် Okay dialogue 1ကနေစမယ်ဆိုတော့ there are two parts of conversation ပေါ့နော်လူတစ်ယောက်စကားပြောနေတဲ့ဘေးနဲ့ဂျွန်နဲ့ပေါ့နော်ဆိုတော့ what time do you get up every day John what time do you get up every day John ဆိုတော့ဂျွန်ရင်ဘယ်အချိန်မှာအဲ့ရထားလဲပေါ့ I usually get up at 6 o'clock I usually get up at 6 o'clock Do you get up at 6 o'clock every day? Do you get up at 6 o'clock every day? နေ့တိုင်း6နာရီထသလားပေါ့နေ့တိုင်း6နာရီမှအဲ့ရထလားပေါ့ No some days I don't get up until 8 o'clock No some days I don't get up until 8 o'clock နေ့တိုင်းတော့မဟုတ်ဘူးတချို့ရက်တွေပဲနော်တချို့ရက်တွေပဲ I don't get up until 8 o'clock တချို့ရက်တွေဆိုရင်7နာရီထိတော့အဲ့ရမထဘူး7နာရီထိမှအဲ့ရနိုးတယ်အဲ့သဘောပြောချင်တာဆိုတော့သူကမေးလဲဆိုတော့ do you get up at 6 o'clock every day နေ့တိုင်း6နာရီမှအဲ့ရနိုးသလားပေါ့ no some days I don't get up until 8 o'clock တချို့ရက်တွေဆိုရင်7နာရီထိတော့အိတ်တယ်7နာရီထိတော့အဲ့ရမထသေးဘူးအဲ့သဘောပြောချင်တာ what time does Frank get up do you know Frank ဘယ်အချိန်အဲ့ရနိုးလဲမင်းသိလားပေါ့ he usually get up about 7 o'clock He usually get up at about 7 o'clock. သူကတော့ပုံမှန်အဖြစ်9နာရီမှအဲ့ရထား Does he get up late than 7 o'clock once a while? ဒါတလေတိုင်း9နာရီထက်အဲ့ရနောက်ကျသလားပေါ့ Yes, he does. ဟုတ်တယ်နောက်ကျတယ် Once a while he doesn't get up until 9 a.m. တခါတလေတိုင်းသူ9နာရီအထိတော့အဲ့ရမလို့သေးဘူး Does your brother get up later than you do? မင်းရဲ့အကိုကတော့မင်းထက်အဲ့ရနောက်ကျသလားပေါ့No, my brother gets up at the same time as I do every day. နောက်တော့မကြပါဘူးငါတို့အတူတူပဲအဲ့ရထားလေးရှိရပေါ့ဒါတော့ brother ပေါ့နော်တခါတလေကြာရင်ဟိုပါလေကိုထက် sorry ဆိုရင်တော့ yes he gets up earlier than I do သူကငါထက်အဲ့ရနောက်ထ sorry ဒါမှမဟုတ်သူကငါထက်အဲ့ရထားနောက်ကြရဲဆိုရင်တော့ no he gets up later than I do အဲ့ဒီဘောအနေနဲ့ပြောလို့ရတယ်ပေါ့Okay, practice လုပ်ကြရအောင် What time do you get up every day, John? I usually get up at 6 o'clock. Do you get up at 6 o'clock every day? No. Some days I don't get up until 8 o'clock. What time does Frank get? Do you know? He usually gets up at about 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Does he get up later than 7 o'clock once a while? Yes, he does. Once a while, he doesn't get up until 7 a.m. Does your brother get up later than you do? No, my brother gets up at the same time as I do every day. Yes, he gets up earlier than I do. အဲ့လိုပေါ်နေနဲ့ပြောလို့ရတယ် practice လုပ်ပါနော် and that dialogue 2က John Fred နဲ့ပြီးနေပေါ့နော် practice လုပ်လို့ရတယ် What do you want ဘာလို့ချင်လဲပေါ့ I want a cup of coffee. I want a cup of coffee. What do you want? I want a cup of coffee. What would you like to eat, John? John, please give me a piece of pie. Please give me a piece of pie. Wouldn't you like some coffee? Coffee without chimlabo. I'd rather have some tea if you don't mind. Same issue with swing and coffee or tea. What the pay would Jack dear? Hello, Jed. What would you like to eat? Jet, Jet. Hello, Jet, Please give me a piece of pie. Most are painful to who have a cable 8 to cuckoo a pine with a Which one would you like, this one or that one? Tia Machana while Luchana Labo. It doesn't matter to me. That's an issue. Be that be. It doesn't matter to me. It's an issue. I like to talk with Mr. Jones or Mr. Smith. I'm sorry, but both of them are busy right now. Mr. Jones နဲ့ Mr. Smith နဲ့တွေ့ချင်တယ်ပေါ့သူတို့နဲ့တွေ့ချင်တယ်သူတို့နဲ့စကားပြောချင်တယ်ပေါ့နော်စိတ်မကောင်းပါဘူးဗျာသူတို့နေရာစလုံးအခုချိန်မှာအလုပ်ရှုပ်နေတယ်ပေါ့အဲ့ဒါပေါ့ဆိုတော့ What do you want? I want a cup of coffee. How would you like to eat, John? Please give me a piece of pie. Wouldn't you like some coffee? I'd rather have some tea if you don't mind. Hello, Jared. What would you like to eat? Please give me a piece of pie. Which one would you like, this one or that one? It doesn't matter to me. I like to talk with Jones or Mr. Smith. I'm sorry, but both of them are busy right now. Okay, dialogue 3. Helen and Martha, Paul, Peter. They are in a conversation over there. Do you know any of these people over there? I'm actually doing it. Several of them look familiar. တော်တော်များများပေါ့သူတို့တော်တော်များများကကြည့်ရတာကိုရင်းနှီးပုတ်ပေါက်တယ်ပေါ့ရင်းရင်းနှီးနှီးရှိတယ်ပေါ့ Do you know any of these people အဲ့ထက်ကလူတွေရောမြင်သိလား All of those people are friends of mine အဲ့လူတွေအားလုံးကကျွန်တော်ရဲ့တကယ်ချင်းတွေလေ Which one of those men is Mr. Jones အဲ့ထက်က Mr. Jones ကပဲအရောက်လေပေါ့ I really don't ဘာတကယ်ကိုမသိတာ The man with blue shirt အဲ့ဒီအပြာရောင်တဲ့လူလေးလို့အဲ့ဒါပြောချင်တာတကယ်ကိုမသိဘူးဆိုရင်တော့ I really don't know ကိုသိတယ်ဆိုတော့အဲ့လူဝတ်ထားတဲ့အဝတ်စားတစ်ခုခုပေါ့ symbol တစ်ခုပေါ်မှာကိုပြောလို့ရတယ် The man with blue shirt is Mr. Taylor the tall man over the left အဲ့ဘယ်နားမှာရှိတဲ့အရာရှိတဲ့သူက Mr. Taylor လား Yes he is ဟုတ်တယ် There's Mr. Taylor on the left အဲ့ဘယ်မှာရှိတဲ့လူကတော့ Mr. Taylor ဖြစ်ပါတယ် Would you like something now? If you don't mind, I'd rather have some coffee. Same issue to know coffee baby. Do you know any of those people over there? Several of them Lord family. Do you know any of these people? Of those people are friends of mine. Which one of those men is Mr. Jones? I really don't know. The man with blue shirt. Is Mr. Taylor the tall man over the left? Yes, he is. That's Mr. Taylor over the left. Wouldn't you like some tea now? If you don't mind, I'd rather have some coffee. Is Mr. John busy right now? Mr. John, yes, he is. Both Mr. John and Mr. Smith are busy now. No, he is free. How dare aku to low show me? Mr. John or Mr. Smith layout low, a low show. Again, RS, no, he is free. How would you like to eat? I don't know, it doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to me. Do you know those two men over there? For a Dunlop family. Yes, Lochiara take a unipo pop up or not. Which board would you like? This one or that one? The Sao Luchina, who's out like this Saula. I rather have that one over there. And I'm actually this out by Luchina. Ain't now actually I saw by Luchina. Okay, dialogue 4. Excuse me, babe. What's the date today? The sailor could do all be a level. I really don't know. The Kilmatida. One month is this? Is this Tilapala level? This is John, but I don't know what the day is. I did hear John Lally. Dila or John La. Check up by I believe it's the 9th or the 10th of June. English to know. Tiniga Kuyela and Jun Kuyela Jusela Matibu. It must be John 9. What year is this? Tiniar Junkuya Nili. Junkuya Nipiame. Tane Panilla. I know what year it is. I did it in our Panilesra. This is 1966. 1966. Takua Guzet. Right. So today is June 9, 2020. Okay. Gami Tinegaro Junkuya Natak Nase. Taro. Pelupdom this way. The Anetiapure Kama, Tia, and the Tabam Mutiburo, practice Lopa. Is that this your birthday? Is that this your birthday? Tine Mimwinium Hobla. No, isn't. My birthday is the 3rd of June. Hadini are winning ho, winning our valley, Johnson. What year were you born in? Nipma, Wilepo. I was born in 1945. 1945. So, Takwa. 1945 Lizenga. So, whom we didn't Nipoma Mutibiro, 19 Pelale. 1990. I was born in 1990. Okay, and I was born in 1941. Tara, what do you want to talk about? Let's talk about agriculture. Agriculture ဆိုတဲ့ sector အကြောင်းပြောကြတာပေါ့ What do you know about that ဘယ်လိုတွေသိတယ်ပေါ့အဲဒါတယောက်နဲ့တယောက် conversation လုပ်တဲ့အခါမှာ practice လုပ်တဲ့အခါမှာသုံးတာပေါ့နော် Okay အခု dialogue 5မှာဆို dialogue 5မှာပေါ့ sorry talking about this two where ဘာဝေးရမလဲဆိုတော့မေးတဲ့အခါမှာပြောတဲ့အခါမှာထားရတော့တယ် I don't know what to wear today. It's going to be cold or what. ဒီနေ့ဘာဝေးရမလဲမသိဘူးကွာအေးသလားနွေးမလားတော့မသိဘူး It looks like it's going to rain today. ကြည့်ပုံရတော့ဒီနေ့ကတော့မိုးရွာမယ်ထင်တယ် You better take your raincoat. Raincoat ပေါ့မိုးကအေးကြီးယူသွားဖို့ကောင်းတယ်ပေါ့ I can decide whether to wear my gray suit or the brown one. The brown one. Okay. So ကျွန်တော်မိကိုရအောင် suit အေးကြီးကိုယူသွားမလားဒါဝတဲ့အညူရောအေးကြီးကိုယူသွားမလားတော့ငါဆုံးဖြတ်လို့တော့မရဘူး Why do you wear the gray suit or the brown one? ဘာကြောင့်လို့အဲ့မိကိုရအောင်ရောအဲ့အညူရောနီရောယူသွားတာလဲပေါ့မဝစ်တယ်လဲပေါ့ It's not heavy as the brown one. အညူရောတော့ဘာဖြစ်လဲဆိုတော့မလေးဘူးထင်တယ် It may rain today. မိုးရွာလိမ့်မယ် but it will be let me very cold ဒါပေမဲ့တော့အရင်အေးမှာတော့မဟုတ်ဘူး All right ကောင်းပြီ What are you going to wear? ဘာဝတ်သွားမှာလဲ I think I wear my new jackets and the blue trouser. ငါစိတ်ထင်တော့ဒီနေ့ jacket အသစ်လေးနော် jacket အသစ်လေးနဲ့ဝတ်သွားမယ်ပြီး the blue trouser ဆိုတာ net ပြပေါင်းပြီးလေးဝတ်သွားမယ်ပေါ့ And if I can borrow your blue tie, I will wear that. I don't have a blue tie. ပြီးတော့နေ့ရဲ့ချီဝါပါလဲ necktie လေးပေါ့အဲ့လိုမျိုး level မှာချီလို့ရတဲ့အရာတစ်ခုလေးဆိုရင်ငါပဲလို့ရှိရင်ငါအဲ့ဒါဝတ်သွားမယ်ပေါ့ All right, Gami, what are you going to wear? Gami, what with Doma? I think I wear my new jacket and the blue trouser. And if you can borrow blue tie, I wear them. I don't have a blue tie. Gami, tie to Satulo yare. Of course, you can have it. Gami, you do yare. All of my shirts are the luxury. So I can borrow one of you. I was sure you wouldn't mind. No? 你စိတ်မရှိဘူး你စိတ်မဆိုးဆိုတော့ငါတည်ဟောပေါ့ငါတည်ချရပေါ့ Get dialogue set. What kind of dress are you looking for? Europa always sorry with shiny level. So it's getting warmer this year, this time of year. Get in the and then we like I want something lightweight. And then papa always sorry looking. What material do you that would be best? Bear a those of it always take out. Gown look level. Let's see what there is. We can go to several stores. Bro, several storesများဆိုငါတို့သွားကြည့်သေးတယ်ပေါ့ Personally, ဘကွေရေးရပြောမယ်ဆိုရင်ငါစိတ်ထင်တော့ I like a contour dress for spring. နော် spring dry contour dress ဆိုတာဘယ်လိုလဲဆိုတော့ကိုအဲ့ဒီလေးဝေးတော့ပိုကောင်းမယ်ထင်တယ် So do I. ငါလည်းအဲ့လိုပဲ And I could wear it all summer. ဆိုတော့ဘာလဲဆို all summer နွေရာသီတောက်ရှောက်ပေါ့နော်အဲ့ဒါပဲ with တဲ့ပေါ့နော်ဝေးလိုက်မယ်ပေါ့ I want something I can use for a long time ထို့တူပဲကွာအခြေကြာကြီးသုံးလို့ရမယ်ဝေးလို့ရမယ်ဟာကြီးကိုငါလိုချင်တာပေါ့ What color would you like ဘယ် color ကိုကြိုက်လဲ Yellow or green အဝါရောင်လားအစိမ်းရောင်လား Would be good colors for you ဆိုတော့အဝါရောင်လားအစိမ်းရောင်လားဘယ်ဟာကမင်းအတွက်အဆင်ပြေမယ်လဲပေါ့အဲ့သဘောပဲချင်တာအဆင်ပြေမဲ့တစ်ခုခုပေါ့ Oh, I want a white dress. Oh, I sure did what? It's not very practical color. As soon as it gets dirty so fast. For as soon as I know, but I'm getting married on Sunday. Saturday, manga, Letter doma. What is the traditional color for our dress? ပြောစရာကအားလုံးလက်ခံထားတဲ့မင်္ဂလာလက်ခံပွဲမှာဝတ်လို့ရတဲ့အကြောင်းဝတ်စုံလေးလို့ Okay, dialogue 7. Tell it about past experience. ဒီကနေ့အတွေ့အကြုံကြောင်းရပြောရဲကမှာပြောရဲဟာကိုသုံးတာဖြစ်တယ် Harry, what's the matter? Harry, ဘာပြဿနာရှိလဲ You look pale. 你有ကြည့်ရလားဖြူဖတ်ဖြူရောပဲ I'll sick 你ဖျားနေလား I just had a terrible experience. ငါဆိုးဆိုးဝါးဝါအတွေ့အကြုံခဲ့ရတာ Sit down. Let me get you a glass of water. And you go, yet quite toy be me. No dice gem. I'll be fine in a minute. Shabare, Jisu tomorrow. Can I need drink at the Talamaba? Do you have any accidents? So, what accident? Not quite, but almost. Accident you don't about time. I was crossing the street just now. I could let you be level chapter come and was almost hit by a car. Car now, time me to Fortunately, can go on the I jump back in time. A team is on the gun. Now, pick up them below, come there, come on. Can go on the gang out, time me. How awful did or Suwala. I hope you got the license number of the car so you can get report this man to the police department. Bro, ne I can't buy a license number, but ne mami melutine. Tajamlo, I never legal should be a police department name, report Tempaloyama. Before I realized what had happened, the car was gone. Now the deep Miyaki mape, I got a down to I don't got nearly over shop pit. Drivers like that should have their license taken away from them. I don't know the regard license because we are should have them. I agree. I will forget this for a long time. In the command, to the milk today at Dorona mid the mom home. Miluyamam hosra. I'm sure you will. How dare need deep chiptoni? Miluyamiana mamosra, not the time. Yes, from now on, I will cross the street in the matter of the plot, reading my newspaper. Here, dining as a bureau, Galama ale chapter kamasu. No, that is our papirole, Matatobu. I have to watch where I'm going so there are dangerous driver like that one on the road. I jump low, I pay with arms on the detab, Tilumio Mamma Hogus with Tilumio, and the she the car driver to Lucian of a cemetery wood no? Taro purchased the loba. Liberally Japan, no. So, Tyler 1 is 7 tissue. What time do you get every day, John? I usually get it at 0 o'clock. Do you get it at 0 o'clock every day? No, someday. I do get it until 8 o'clock. What time does Frank get up? Do you know? He usually get it about 0 o'clock. Does he get it later than 7 o'clock? What's it why? Yes, he does. What's it why? He doesn't get it until 9 a.m. Does your brother get it later than you do? No, my brother gets at the same time as I do every day. Yes, he gets out earlier than I do. No, he gets out later than I do. Alone your report. Practice developer. No. Okay. Bye bye bye.